Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Educare 1 and welcome to the 100 day journey with English language speaking. Dear viewers, this is 52nd class of English speaking. You know that the class has been continually running for 51 days and it was started with the inspiration of 100 days journey with English language speaking. Now the journey has been paused since more than a week. What is the reason? Nobody was seen to inquire about it or to deliver a few words to show his interest about this matter. This is very much shocking incident for me or for a creator. Almost no like and almost no comments on my contents shows that it is less preferable for almost all of us. The lack of viewing persons also reveals the same matter. Then, should we stop this journey? If possible, please comment. Today, we are discussing about the introduction of the structure of verbs. Verb, transitive and intransitive. Transitive verb have an object, that is, boys fly kites. Here, kites is the object of verb fly. Then, he is smoking a cigarette. Here, a cigarette is the object of verb smoking. Then, I do not speak slang words. Here, slang words is the object of verb speak. Next, we eat rice. Here, the word rice is the object of verb eat. Next, intransitive verb have no object. Birds fly. Here, there is no object. Then he smokes. Next, they fled. Next, he quarrels. Next, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Here, at 100 degrees centigrade is the complement of the verb boils. Next, he survived overcoming his critical condition. Here, overcoming his critical condition is the complement of the verb survived. Here, the notable things is that to complete the sense of the sentence, transitive verb requires an object. To complete the sense of the sentence, transitive verb requires an object. Here are the objects, that is, boys fly kites, kites is object, he is smoking cigarette, cigarette is object, etc. To complete the sense of the sentence, intransitive verb requires no object. Rather, sometimes it takes complement. Here is the complements, that is, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Here, at 100 degrees centigrade is the complement, and he survived overcoming his critical condition. Here, overcoming his critical condition is complement. They fled, birds fly, or he smokes have no object. That is, in these sentences, no object is required. So, this verb, that is, fly, smokes, fled, quarrels, boils, survived, is intransitive verbs. That is, the verb have no object. Intransitive verbs can be used only in active voice. This is very notable word that intransitive verbs can be used only in active voice.